Still here. Still here. Can't hear you, mate. Take your space mask off.
Yeah. Got roller shot, man. Can't leave.
Yeah, look beyond it though.
Oh, no, you don't even have to. Look, zoom in right here.
Oh wow. Yeah, give me the rundown.
I've been waiting months for this unit, 6 months.
Longer than that.
There's a geezer living in here before us. He's a carpenter, he's left all of his crap here. We finally got the keys. We got to gut it, it's full of porn.
It's not really an upgrade, is it?
It's got a ramp.
Ours is, it's a bit better than ours.
It's got room for a ramp. And
Yeah, that's true.
Shutter, man.
It is. There's a floor up there, mate. It doesn't get any better up there. Yeah. Alright, cool. Give me a walkthrough, rolling clip. There's just one bang it, let's go.
Alright, got some stuff, heavy machinery.
It's getting dark back here, but we got bumper up. Just like, I'm just gonna quickly do a pass on just to give everyone an idea of how much clutter. Everything is caked. Quickly run me through some more stuff up here.
I haven't see Scott's face.
I haven't even got my mask on, man. I thought it'd be easier to do this without it. Yeah, basically this guy's had this place for 17 years. And he's sort of retired and he's he's unfortunately been living here as well.
Tastes
I can
so
that's what I mean. It's like right up in my mouth. Yeah, there's been cats in here. There's been cats in here. All light, the lantern. Wow, it is so dark. Is there not? There's got to be a light switch back here, man. Surely it wasn't.
Look, he's been snouting in his bed. Got a little kitchen.
Yeah, this. Wait, can we just talk about this for a second? This is the holy shrine.
Oh, we've got a toilet.
To life.
We have a toilet.
Yeah, our current unit has never had a loo, so we've had to.
This one's even got an old porn collection with it. Look at it.
Do I dare get in
So hard to
here?
even breathe, mate.
Oh my god, I need to feel them.
Mike Jones!
Throw down the mouldy floor.
That is getting changed.
So we're about to start ripping this place apart. We're trying to fix cars, and I still can't fix any flaming cars, mate.
Yeah.
Ugh. God.
Just to finish off as well, so yeah, we've had our current unit for like 24 months, you reckon?
Yeah, maybe 2 years.
And it's been, I mean, you're seeing it on camera, like, it's basically a shed. It's a large shed. But we've made well of it, man.
For sure.
But we outgrew that place in like 6 months, and this place it's honestly a blessing, isn't it?
Yeah, hopefully.
Like,
Once you get to taste the cat out, yeah.
yeah.
You can get some up close of the filthiest.
Yeah, I'll go get some B-roll. All right, bless. You get cleaning, mush. Everything is caked in just years and years of
Blood hell.
That is what I currently have to deal with. That's the real colour of the floor. Oh, Paul. Yeah. Just bags of dust. Yeah, I wonder what this stuff is worth, man.
So this one seems
Made in Hornchurch in Essex, I don't know if you can see that. There's going to be so much useful stuff here. Look at that, you could paint wheels on that. You seeing this, Jam? You reckon you got that? Run, jump and roll on it. Woo! Jeez! Oh god, now we're distracted. No work to get done now, is it? Run and jump, dive. That's so joke. It's the outside space, same. Big old container. Fitting tyres in and our crap. And then a fair bit of room.
Baby.
We've even got a lake, some water sports. I want a little RC boat, man, to go around here. That'd be so good. Be able to rag the cars around here, it'd be cool. Look how clean everything else is on this yard. And then there's our gaff. We discovered it's got a balcony though, that's kind of cool. Really cool place. Everything looks cool as well, which is sweet. Be easier for shooting cars on as well. Out for us. Got some more space up here as well. Would you believe it? There's a weighbridge there. It doesn't work, but it's pretty cool. All the wiring, it's over here. All the wiring is here for it. So I don't know, maybe we can get that working, that'd be cool. But yeah, this is a cool little spot, man. Be able to take some nice photos and clips of cars here. Hopefully be able to do a bit of Johnny action, but we'll see about that. Good progress being made though. What's it saying, Jam? How are we getting on?
Nearly dead.
Yeah, it's not very nice on the lungs. We've been at this for like, what, 3 hours?
No, it's fine. It's like 8 o'clock, man.
Yeah, first day with the keys. But, when you can see, making progress. Still so much to sort.
Yeah,
literally.
Good. So, just this section here.
Yeah. Upstairs looks alright as well, but yeah. So what, hopefully next time, when's the next video going to be?
Probably tomorrow.
At this rate, yeah. Nah, we need to crack on, so hopefully you'll see this when it's gutted out, yeah. We'll do maybe a little mini-series on this, but yeah. Cool.